Welcome to your Wasam Life channel. This video is part 2 of the series The Most Important Thing to Buy in Amazon's Great Indian Festival. Come, let's see the awesome product here. So, this is the view of my balcony. This place is the most lovely and calm place in my home. I love to spend an entire day here. It looks a little bit dull, so I'm going to add color with the hanging basket planter from Amazon. This is the basket which I mentioned earlier, which is available in Amazon Great Indian Sale, and this is the outer look of it, which you can keep it in the ground also, or you can hang it directly in your balcony like this. So in this video we are going to see three important things, that is the number one, what kind of soil and in what ratio you should put. The second one is how much amount of water you should pour for that plant, and the third one is what plant you should plant. So the first is soil. I had filled this basket with 2/4 amount of the soil. This soil, it is a mixture of soil, mud, and also the vegetable manure which I personally created from my own kitchen waste. I will explain this in detail in another video, and along with this I also added some cocoa pith. Recently people started using cocoa pith for absorbing nutrition and to reduce the weight of the pot. So here we will be seeing that since we are going to hang this in the balcony, always the plant should come in the front. So I like to plant the small stems in the front and a bit higher than that in the middle and the larger stems in the back, so that it always look balanced and in equal intervals. Then to make the equal interval, I took a stick and I'm making the tiny hole in the mud in equal distance, so that it would be very easy for me to see how the plant looks and all the things. And next comes the most important thing, is choosing the plant for this basket. And here I chose this plant. I'm so sorry, I really don't know the name of the plant, but it is like similar to the table rose format, which I'm planting. As I said, I'm planting the smaller one in the front, and I pushed the stems in downward direction, so from balcony it looks in a cute way or something like that. And I'm planting the larger stems in the back side and I push it here. So as I said earlier, I'm going to fill this plant in this whole basket, and let's see how it looks. For the plant here, I had planted the smaller one in the front, and as I said, I'm planting the bigger stems in the back side. You really don't have to water the plant regularly. You can water like in the gap interval of 2 days or 1 day. It doesn't need much water, and this is the look of my basket. For a red color basket, I choose the green color, which is very very contrast and also looks really colorful in my balcony. Along with this red basket, I am having the green, white and yellow basket. Come, let's have a look. In this green basket also, I planted the plant similar to the red one. I planted little amount of plant, but look how dense it really looks and bushy it is. It really started flowering and also budding, and it has the great combination of pink flower and green, so it look really cute. In this white basket, I had planted a green color leafy patterned plant, but this actually will be having the flowers in the color of yellow and also in pink. It had really not yet blossomed. It only comes in particular season, but I'm really waiting for the blossom. So once it is blossomed, it will be looking really very very colorful in nature. In this yellow basket, I took a trial and error method. That is, I didn't add the soil directly into the basket. Instead, I chose a planter, which is like a old plastic paint box, which I already planted with the purple color leaved plant. And the similar plant I also planted it in a water can bottle to see how this comes, as how I'm planning to really reduce the amount of mud in it while hanging it in the balcony, and how it really comes just as a trial and error thing. And this is the whole way how I really planted the things. And I'm so sorry I can't hang it here because due to the weather it is really going to rain. So I'm really planning to not hang it in the outside, but here you people can see I kept it in the balcony in the lower region. Along with this, I will add the video after hanging the planters in it. I hang this planter in the inner side of the balcony, as it look like going to rain. So I have hanged them here, and you can see how colorful it is to look from this view. And here in this basket I had planted them only with the flowering plants, so that from the balcony it really gives a colorful view to my home. But there are also other ideas to plant in this basket, like planting the kitchen gardening plants like the mustard seed, fenugreek seeds, tomato, mint, coriander, anything of your kitchen gardening which you can directly place it in the window of your kitchen. So it's very useful, and nowadays kitchen gardening is quite famous. And for those who don't have your balcony, you really don't have to worry. Just remove the backside hook and you can place this basket anywhere of your choice, and you can have a colorful place in your home and create an awesome garden in your home. And also, for the people who like the product, the link of this product is in the description below, and go and grab this awesome product. Due to some height factors, I'm really not able to take shot of my balcony, so I'm here adding the side angle of my balcony. Have a look. This is how my balcony look before and after hanging the baskets in my balcony, and it also gives an awesome calm and romantic atmosphere in night time to my balcony. So this is an awesome product to buy, and don't miss it. Along with this video, I had also added one of my poem regarding my love for my balcony. You people really have a look on it and give your comments. If you really like my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel.